The tornado that destroyed portions of Hattiesburg, Mississippi on February 10, 2013, was among the most destructive storms ever to touch down in the offshoot of Tornado Alley that's known as Dixie Alley. Take a look at this incredible footage.
Debris on the road. Oh my gosh. Debris. Continue. Continue. You're gonna get up on the overpass. We're gonna get some great video. Continue. Just pass that. Pass it. Pass it.
I'm going to.
And go straight. You're gonna go straight. Just go straight. Continue. It's a big one. Continue. We're doing fine. It's moving away from us, by the way, so you're doing fine.
Watch out!
No! Michael, I got it, man.
Debris all over the road.
Yep.
Watch it.
Oh my gosh. It's right there. Continue. Continue. Slow it down, slow it.
Watch it go across this highway.
Yes, please. Pass him and pass the sign. Pass the sign.
I've never heard it like that. It's hugely loud.
Oh my gosh. It just hit something. Continue. Forward. Forward. Continue forward. It's hitting stuff. Continue. Faster, faster, faster.
There's huge stuff.
Faster, faster. Keep going. Watch out for the debris.
Watch it.
It's big. Watch out for the debris. Slow it down. Slow it down a little bit. It's crossing right in front of us.
Right next to it.
Yep. All right, and dang it. Yeah, watch out. Get in the middle. Get in the middle.
Wait, it's backing up.
Slow down. Slow down. Watch out for this guy who's right next to us. You're gonna run him off the road. Slow down a little. Let him pass. Let him pass. Continue forward. Oh my gosh, I can't even see a raw video. Slow it down, man. Slow it down. You don't want to hit the debris.
Oh my gosh, look at
Watch
this
out for that. It's a big one. It's coming into Hattiesburg. Big tornado going into Hattiesburg. Oh, slow down. People are hurt. People are hurt.
Reed Timmer captured this incredible stovepipe tornado in Ellis County, Oklahoma, in May 2007. Though the funnel is small, you can feel the intensity in the air as the tornado continues to form. Take a look.
Thank you very much. Shut your door. Okay, go, back up. Back up.
Coming, however, we do not want you out.
We're okay.
We're okay. Our spotters on the ground, emergency management directors, our trained spotters on the ground. We do not want you to be out looking at this storm, a dangerous storm, potentially hazardous storm in the South Ellis County area now. Highway 283, that would be Arnett, and to the west.
We're good. Hold on.
4 miles south of 51 and 60.
Listen to the roar! I got it. Hear that? Oh no, those are structures. Oh no. No. Wow. Can you hear that? Don't move!
Two dudes on a road trip through Manitoba in June 2007 happen upon a perfectly formed elephant trunk. The radio warnings of a tornado in the area really make this one.
Been spotted in the Sperling area. I'm not sure exactly where they've touched down, but we can check that out. We're going to check that out and pass on more information. If you are out on the highway wherever you are, please be safe. Be safe. Don't try to chase them. That's not a good idea. But yeah, I've had calls from Ron, Wally, and Jag. Also had another sighting north of the city, out by number 6 highway, somewhere out there by the woodlands. So somewhere out there, we've also had some tornadoes. Interesting weather happening. Gotta love the hot weather in Manitoba in the summertime. And of course, with it being summertime, you have to watch for the Power 97 711 Magnum Summer Cruiser powered by the new Pembina Chrysler Dodge Jeep and Slurpee. Jesus. Only at 7-Eleven, we'll be giving away great prizes all summer long, including samples of 7-Eleven's new Slurpacino, where cappuccino meets Slurpee. And the Power 97 711 Magnum Summer Cruiser will be on the road at all the hottest events. This weekend, you can catch it at the Master Batter Classic. That goes down tomorrow. I'll be down there live from noon until 6, letting you know all the entertainment and fun that's happening. So if you can make it down, come on down. It'll be good times. Be good times. And that is happening all day tomorrow. And the 711 Magnum Summer Cruiser, 97 711 Magnum Summer Cruiser is brought to you by the new Pembina Chrysler Dodge Jeep Slurpee, only at 7-Eleven and Air Source.
Racing fires up, rain or shine. Friday and Saturday at 7, Sunday at 1.
Welcome to Amps, Drums, and Guitars. The Big A, Winnipeg's hottest live music venue, brings you the best of the rock scene.
The Eureka E-Power.
Mark Wells and his daughter Josie weather a tornado that destroys their home in Washington, Illinois, November 2013. The footage is truly harrowing.
Holy shit. Alright, I gotta go. I'm coming, honey. Shit, where you at, hon? God damn, it's bad. Alright, stay down, honey. Oh, shit, Josie. Uh-oh. We're gonna get some shit here, honey.
Is this gonna save us?
I hope so, buddy. Oh my God! Okay, honey. Holy shit! Stay in. Oh man! Oh! Shit!
Don't go out there.
No, not yet.
Don't.
Oh.
Stay here.
Oh my God, Josie.
What?
Wow. Holy moly. Oh my God. Our house is freaking destroyed, Josie. Oh my God. Where's Autumn? Oh, I've never seen anything like it. Oh, shit.
What do we do?
I don't know. Let's go. We gotta see if anybody else's house is up. Josie, come on. Hang on a second. Oh, Jesus H. I'm in shock. I can't believe this happened. Oh my God, Josie. The neighbors' houses are gone. Damn, I hope nobody's hurt. Autumn, stay there. Come on, Josie, let's get out of here. The tornado's passed. We gotta get out of here and get to... Josie, come on now. I know it's scary. Come on now. And watch the nails. That's fine. Josie!
Reed Timmer's footage of the June 24, 2003 tornado that devastated Manchester, South Dakota, became the benchmark for tornado videos. Take a look.
We're okay, Alex. Please just trust me. I'm begging you. When you're done with this, you'll thank me.
What does it say 25?
Look at the trees!
Oh my god.
Move, Jim.
I'm out of film.
Can you get more film?
How do you
Okay, when you don't open it anymore. Press this.
Just look at it. You gotta get out and listen to this thing.
Okay! Get in the fucking car! Get in the car! Hold it in reverse!
Go.
Hold on, we're okay right now, but get ready to go in reverse.
Go.
Put it in reverse and hold on!
Oh, please go back.
Okay, stop.
Go back.
Okay, we're okay. We're still okay. We're still okay. As soon as you see that inflow jet get close, back up. Back the fuck up! Back up! Back up! Please, I hope they're okay. Oh my... Listen to it roar! We're okay. We're seriously. We're Eastern.
This is unbelievable. Alex, I hope you take lots of digital photos.
All right, there's debris in the air everywhere. That's trees.
Go get pictures of that, man. Just go through it. Go one time. I'll throw it back. Oh my god.
Right now.
Oh, that's the end of that road, man. We go so much. Man, it's still not rewind. Oh my gosh, this thing is amazing.
Paralleling the road. Still have a tornado on the ground.
This is awesome. This is amazing.
Alex?
A football field couldn't get between this tornado and us.
Want to see more content like this? Be sure to like, subscribe, and smash that notification bell to stay up to date. Have a great day.